Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video on this channel. My name is Noah and today I will show you how you can install your Windows completely new without losing your personal data or programs. Before we start, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you can't miss the next videos and the next great tips about Windows or PC. And the first method is to perform an in-place upgrade on your computer. For that we need a Windows ISO file, which we can generate with the media creation tool, which you can download from the Microsoft website. Keep in mind that Windows 11 and 10 are separated here. After the download, open the media creation tool and following the steps like accept license terms. Now we can select between two options, and for that video, we select create a installation media. Leave the options on default and click next. You can now select between making a USB flash drive and ISO file. The USB option is for the later method, so we use the ISO option now. Now we need to define a path for the ISO file, and in my case I will select my documents folder. Now the creation tool will download the Windows ISO file, and that could take a while because the file size is between 4 and 8 GB, depends on the Windows version. I already downloaded the file, so I head up to the documents folder now and make a right click on the ISO file and select mount so we can use it as a CD media. Next step is to execute the setup file on the mounted system and starting the setup program. Now we have the choice how the setup program will implement updates like drivers and secure patches, so I recommend that to keep settings on default now and click next so the setup program can download the newest patches for your system. Now comes the most important step, so you need to double check now if keep personal files and apps is declared here, and if not, click on change what to keep and select it manually. If you haven't the option, you need to update your system over Windows updates before you perform the setup so you can fix that. Now the setup will search for updates again and will show you the last screen again. Click on install if you are ready, and Windows will perform the install of your system, which can take a while. After the installation, you will land on your desktop again and we are finished. But if we have a look on our system drive, we can see a folder named windows.old. We need to clean up this because this will have about 20 GB which are no longer needed. Open your system settings for that and head up to storage. After scanning the system, we need to click on temporary files, and after a quick reload we need to check the previous installed Windows files and click on cleanup. The process in Windows 11 is the same, but if you have an actual build of Windows 11, I recommend to install Windows over the system settings with recovery. Open settings and go to system. Now look for recovery and select. Now click on reinstall now on the fix problems using Windows Update tab and click OK. After that, Windows Update will download a Windows ISO file and install it afterwards. To apply the install, you need to restart your computer after it is finished. Then you can use the same way to clean up your Windows old folder and we are done. But what if I can't boot to my Windows setup because many system files are corrupted? That's why we need now a bootable Windows USB drive. Insert the created USB drive into your computer and select it over the boot menu or edit the boot order in your BIOS. Now the system is booted into the Windows install environment. When you have Windows 11, you need to click on previous setup screen to get the upgrade method, and on Windows 10 the environment is already the old system. Select now the Windows edition your system had before, then next and accept the license terms, and after that you need to select upgrade. But the issue here is you haven't a guarantee that this method works. So if you get this screen here, you are not able to install Windows without losing data if you can't access your system and you need a completely clean install. To prevent data loss in the future, I recommend you to create a separate partition and save your personal files on it, so the partition are not touched if you install Windows over the system partition. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and write in the comments if you have any questions, and I see you in the next video then.